Hello everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today to share with you my Eerie Tales Haunted Mansion. And this is the partner to the Eerie Tales mini album that I did a few months back. Just gonna pan for you here. Okay, so this album, or this stand on the bottom here, is 3 inches by 9 inches, and it houses the Eerie Tale mini album, and I will link the share to this in the description. And there is a tutorial for this, and there will be a tutorial for the mansion also. So I'm going to try and zoom you in here a little bit. Alright, so also this house features some lights, so let me turn those on, and then I'll take you off the tripod and I'll share the rest of it. I use purple LED lights in this one. Move you over a little bit so you don't get that sun. So all 4 stories light up. Alright. Now I'm going to take you off and we'll finish this up. Okay, so I'm going to hold you as steady as possible while I pan around here. On this door there's magnets holding it on, and it just swings down to open. We have one of the 12 by 12 pumpkins that are fussy cut and a graphic 45 pool. We have some pumpkins hanging out in the garden here, and they are popped up. In the graveyard, let me put some light on here. To the left of the house we have a picket fence and a pumpkin. There's a ghost in the back, a creepy tree, and a tombstone. Inside this door, and then back here behind this tree, there's the other tree. And there's a chimney with a spider on it. G45 washi tape on the top. Your turret here has a bat. And there are some rose vines growing on the house. I created this studio cut file from a DXF that I made. Inspired off of a design that I saw online. I'm going to pick this up and turn it around so you can see this side. On this side, we have a balcony. There's another door in the back that opens. And then on the lower balcony, there's a ghost. And there's another door that opens. And on the roof, there's a cat underneath this turret. I'm going to take you around to the back now. The turret is on 4 sides. There's windows on every side. There's the back of the graveyard. On the back of the box, on the back of the stand, I put Once Upon a Time. You can see the lights that are in the attic. And then the inside is fully accessible, held together by magnets. We have some peeled wallpaper. And just a haunted house. And each room has at least one light in it, with the exception of the top, which gets plenty of room from... Oh, nope, it has a light too. Everybody has a light. Okay, so I hope you all enjoy watching my share. And if you're interested in making this, I do my best to create a tutorial that is easy to follow. So here within the next week or so, we should have a complete tutorial on how to build this house and stand. And if you would like to see the mini album also, the tutorial will be in the link below. I thank you very much. Have a wonderful day.